You have talked about that yoga is related to Bhagavad Gita, and we've also seen that all the chapters of Bhagavad Gita. So it's Gyan Yoga, Moksha Yoga, Karma Yoga, Sankhya Yoga. So all the chapters are broadly, basically, at the end of it, we talk about yoga. Now, in the modern context, yoga is associated more with a set of exercises which bring a lot of mental calmness, and also which brings a lot of health benefits to you. So how would you look at the this connection between yoga and Bhagavad Gita? And if you can explain, because you belong to one of the most illustrious families who have carried forward the legacy of yoga in Bharat much before it became an international currency. So, how is what exactly is yoga for our viewers, and what is the concept of real concept of yoga, and how it gels with, and how it is an integral part of Bhagavad Gita?
Okay, that's a wonderful question because I think it goes down to the core of everything that we are as a people, as a civilization. I will not start by explaining yoga in a in the traditional sense that you have alluded to earlier. I will start with the definition of yoga. Yoga is yoking, yoking of any two people or any two entities. Yoking of you to your mobile phone is also a yoga. Yoking of you to your destiny, your prarabdha karma, is also a yoga. So, let us take in the case of marriage. Okay, in Rig-Veda, the marriage is considered to be a yoga where the two are considered to be bullocks under the same yoke. Now, why is this allusion there? It is alluded to that, when two bullocks are made to get into a bullock cart, they take them at the age of 2. And then the person who's training them will then sit and then try to guide them. Initially, the bullocks are frisky and they don't know how to go. So they are going either, other, everything, and but they're not going the right direction. So they're going all over the place. Similarly, in a marriage, when they are getting married immediately, people don't know how to deal with each other, and so there's a lot of what do you call action happening between them. It is called a dance. This dance is called lasya. Lasya is the cognate, the Sanskrit cognate of the English word lust. Lust for life, lust for food, lust for travel, lust for sex, lust for anything. After some time, the two bullocks begin to know how to work with each other, and they begin to go in the direction that is wanted. Similarly, the couples, when they have started spending time with each other and they've really started living together, they've started sacrificing. They stop becoming individual. They lose their individual identities and become a composite identity called ardhangini, half body. This state, when they are in complete resonance with each other, is called laya. Laya is the Sanskrit cognate of the English word love. So in our system, love is not a chemical, but something that happens from years of association. And when you merge with the source, that's called pralaya. Now, why am I saying this? So when the yoking is happening, it goes from gross with anything. It goes from gross to subtle. So it grows. So there's what we call the stula sharira, the sukshma sharira, and the karana sharira. We have the body, the gross things that we see around us. Then we begin to narrow it down to those that matter to us, and finally we begin to merge with the other, and that is total merger or yoga. And that is the same concept which is used in bhakti yoga. You have an object, say Sri Krishna. First, you and Sri Krishna are separate. Thereafter, you start following everything. Sri Krishna becomes the role model. You stop thinking about it as Vishwanath and then start thinking about it as Sri Krishna. As Sri Krishna begins to take over everything, Vishwanath loses his identity. And as the identity slowly falls away, there is no difference between Sri Krishna and Vishwanath. That is yoga, the final stage of yoga. Have I explained it properly, sir?
Yes, yes.